Frank Rose here, MarineMax Bay Point, Boston, Massachusetts, with our 2019 Boston Whaler 350 Realm. It's a beautiful boat. Start off in the rear here, the boat has triple 350 horse Verado supercharged motors to push this, so you're using 1,050 horse. We have a 15-gallon lit live well here, full bench seat in the back here. Sit 3 across. Then as we move forward, you have a little summer kitchen here. All chlorine countertop. Opens up to a nice grill. You have a prep station here. Drink holders. There's a freshwater sink. And a fridge. There's also another set cooler right here. It also has an easy access port here to grab cold drinks and stuff. Now, this seat can be sit like this, so it sits back and people can lounge. There's also a table that would go into place here. Or you can flip it this way. Come forward here to the helm seat. There's an actuator on the side here, and this whole seat spins right around. There's also another table that can fall into place here. You have a huge electric operated sunshade that goes right across to keep all your guests in the back out of the sun on these hot days. There are plenty of stereo speakers here for your Fusion Bluetooth stereo. Now as we move up to the helm here, you have your stereo, Lenco trim tabs, twin Raymarine Axiom GPS chart plotter, fish finder, depth finders. These screens can be broken into 4 screens, both of them. Radar, floor camera can all be hooked to this. You have a storage compartment on the top here for putting your phone with 2 charging ports. So if you wanted to charge an iPad or a telephone, anything like that, you're all set with that. Right here, we have another little prep sink. This is joystick piloting. Whichever way you move the joystick, the boat will go in that direction with auto heading, skyhook. Great system. As we go down into the cabin, we have 2 loungers here that convert into a full-size sleeper. And you have your head with electric vacuum flush toilet, full-length mirror. Flat screen TV. Then we'll move up to the bow here. There are handrails located everywhere. More drink holders, storage. You have a huge lounger up front here that has fold-down armrests, drink holders for sitting 3 across. You have your table up front here, which right now is in a lowered position. There's a pad that goes on top of this to make this into a total sun lounger, or you can push a button, the table will raise up for having something to eat or anything like that. Great boat. If you're interested in one of these 350 Realms, please give me a call. Again, my name is Frank Rose. The phone number is 978-716-2475. Thank you very much. Have a nice day.